Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw an angel dog. Here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw the angel dog. At the beginning, I'm starting with its ear. Now let's draw its eyebrows. And here's its tiny nose. Two big eyes. Now let's draw its body. Here's its tiny wing. Here's its tail. My drawing is done. Now let's do the coloring. I'm using my gray color pen. Gray is not enough for its ear. I think it should be dark black. So I'm using my marker here. Wow, now it's looking like a bulldog. I'm using my yellow color pen. A little bit of orange. To color the dog, I'm using a pale orange color. I'm using a yellow-orange color pencil. A little touch up with black. And my drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.